Hey fellas, this is the video that will show you how to access the Team Builder Whiteboard, which is the timer for inside the weight room. You'll need to take your iPad or your laptop and hook up to the HDMI cord that goes to the projector. Once you do that, you just pull up your whatever internet browser you use. Go to teambuildr.com. Uh, and then you'll go to, if it gives you a prompt, you want to go to strength login, and then from there you get to this one, and then you guys can just uh, sign in with whichever one of you guys is coming to the weight room tomorrow. Just sign in with your email, and I've reset your passwords to 1234, so it should be easy for you guys to log in. Once you're logged in, okay, up here at the top, you're going to go to Workout Tools and then go down to Whiteboard. And once you go to Whiteboard, there's only one calendar you can access, so you just hit this, and it'll take you to a single screen, and you click on that. It will be for tomorrow, so the workout should pop up. Once the workout pops up like this, you go to your settings. Okay, you're going to go down here and we're going to take off, cycle through the supersets. We're going to add show additional information. We're going to change our activity time to 100 seconds, so minute 40 per set. Rest time we're going to set at 0. And transition from one exercise to the next, 75 seconds should be plenty of time for them to change from one exercise and set up for their next one. Okay, once you get that done, you hit done. Okay, so what it will give you is it will show you the percentages to use. We're doing 5 sets of 3, starting at 75, then 80, then our last 3 sets at 85%. Again, this is a workout we've done the last couple of weeks, so they should all be familiar with it. Again, we're just using heavier percentages, and then set up once they're done with the bench press on the last set, then that transition time will come through and it'll give them time to set up for back squat. Okay, so once you're ready to go, you hit the little barbell. It'll take you to your first exercise. When you're ready, you just hit the clock. Okay, then it'll go the minute 40, and then when it's done, it will blow and it'll go to the next set. Okay, you can also use the down arrows to cycle through. Okay, once the 5th set is done, that's where that transition time will come in. Okay, when we get to the C and D exercises, again, it's not going to cycle through. So we want to make sure that on the settings, we cycle through supersets. We make sure to turn that off. So they'll have a minute 40 to do both their RDLs and their single arm dumbbell rows. Okay. So the timer will take it through. Shouldn't go to dumbbell rows, just through to RDLs. Once you're done with the last set, then you'll get your transition time. Once it goes your transition time, you'll have to scroll to the D, because we're not going to use the timer for the C exercise single arm rows, because we're, again, not cycling through. We're doing 2 exercises at the same time. And then once you're ready, then you again just hit the clock and it will start back up again. So it should be super